Namalangi just le shuin, the Tring on Zugi Pelogi in the Naria, near Chokbo, Sanabizulagi, Kurangi, Petip, the great game in the Buddhist Himalayas, have Petip D. Dolang the Sugre.
Hello everyone, I'm very happy to share, or I'm very excited to share about the book that I read in the last week. Last week I read this book, The Great Game in the Himalaya, in the Buddhist Himalaya, by one of the Indian great scholar. In this book, he talks about three important issues. First one, he talks about how Tibetan Buddhism playing the dominating role in the Himalaya regions. And the second thing, he talks about after Tibet was invaded by the Chinese military, how the Chinese government they playing politics in the Himalaya regions, especially in the Pakistan, in the Nepal, and also the border area of the India and Tibet territory. And third thing, he talks about the geopolitical point of view, how Tibet is important, not just only for the 6 million Tibetans, but also how Tibet is important for whole Asia countries, because the river which are flowing in the Asia countries are started from Tibet. The river like Yamuna River, Indus River, Ganga River, Brahmaputra River, and Savan River, and Irrawaddy River, and Yellow River. Those rivers are the start from Tibet too, on those countries. But unfortunately, after Tibet was invaded by Chinese government or Chinese military army in the 1959, Chinese government constructed lots of the dam on the Tibetan rivers, and they constructed the world's largest and world's biggest dam on the Tibetan rivers. Due to that, at this time, the downstream countries like Bangladesh, Myanmar, Vietnam, Laos, and Cambodia, they are facing a big problem. So due to that, at this time, they are facing a big threat, especially in the monsoon seasons. So if anyone wanted to know about how Chinese government play politics in the Himalaya region, and also how Tibet is important for whole Asia country, you must read this book. In this book, you will get enough knowledge about how Himalaya regions and how Himalaya region countries. Thank you.